Mercedes-Benz AMG GT R. Next to me is a Honda NSX. I've got a twin-turbo 4-litre V8 with 585 horsepower. He's got a 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6 plus 3 electric motors and 581 horsepower. We're going to have a drag race.
Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. And now, on with the race.
It's off now. We need to struggle for traction and that NSX is away. Can I start to reel it in though? No. That's what happens.
So, what exactly did happen? Well, the NSX covered the standing quarter in just 10.8 seconds, while the AMG took 11.3 seconds.
You can't guarantee a great launch in this car. You can't guarantee it. It all depends on the conditions. Conditions right, it'll launch, and it probably might have had that NSX, maybe. They're not right. You got no chance. It's all down to launching. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. But that's not the end of the story. Right, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, both cars locked in manual mode, in third gear. I've got 700 newton meters of torque, he's got 646. Let's see what happens when traction is less of an issue. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, he picks up really quick. He does, because of those electric motors, but I've just got the legs on him now, and that is it. Game over. When traction doesn't matter, once you're moving, Mark wins. But he picked up immediately though, didn't he? Electric motors, once again, boom, instant torque.
So it's one win each for these two cars, both of which cost from £145,000. But to see how much you can save on one of them, or any new car for that matter, click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to go to carwow.com.